Welcome to project 4, and this video is alternative video for people who don't have group policy on their computer, or they're using something else and they want to learn this project or want to finish this project. So you do have an option here on the bottom right here. I put this link, which is a virtual lab from Microsoft. It gives you about 120 minutes and you can finish this project pretty much in 15-20 minutes. So you have a lot of time to play around with. You can turn it on again and you will have the 120 minutes again to finish this project. So what you need to do is copy this link and copy this to Internet Explorer, because that's coming from Microsoft, so it only works with Internet Explorer. So you open Internet Explorer, you paste your link on the top of the bar, click enter, and you'll see this page right here. Just click on Launch Lab and then you click Run. Okay, so once you click run, just give it a few minutes, a few seconds probably, I don't know. Alright, so now we're gonna have to just wait for this to open the whole lab. Now in the main lab is about something else. What you will learn in this lab is from Microsoft. I mean, you can learn that stuff on your own, but the main reason that I want to use this lab is for finishing our group. As soon as you finish your group policy, you can actually open their lab and start learn this stuff. I mean, it's pretty cool stuff right there. These are the new things that you might be it might be beneficial for you to learn this. So yeah, but if you want to finish just the lab, you can do it without buying Windows 8 Professional or Enterprise or anything like that. You can just do it from here. And the reason I'm making this because we have some users that are having problem and they want to know if there is any alternative to finish this project. So there is, and this is how it's done. Now you just have to wait for this to come up, and I'll show you that now in a second. So this is actually the main lab. You can see on the right side right here, let's say that 120 minutes are remaining for this lab. Now you can just disregard all of this. And what I want you guys to do is, since this is server, you can play around in the server area if you want to. The other thing is that what I want you guys to do is mostly on the PC right here. This is where I want you guys to work on. So make sure you know the password. If you don't know, or for some reason, you can create another user in this area. Go to Tools, go to Active Directory User and Computer, and this is the stuff that I showed in Active Directory. So you can just go in there, create an account, and then you can go to PC and then log in as that person, or you can log in as administrator. And I'll show you. If you go to the lab, let me see, in the lab right here they have, yeah, same thing. So if you go to the lab, you open the lab, actual lab, there's actually a full document from this this lab from Microsoft actually, but it will give you the password in there too. So if you scroll down, you'll see the passwords, probably up right here. Let me see. So you scroll down the top and they'll have it somewhere over here. Let me see. Background, taking action, code, password right here. So this is the password that you need to use for this lab. Okay, now the main question is about the group policy. Once you log in, do you see the group policy? Yes, you should be able to see that. Everything was explained in the first lab, so you want to see the first video. And other question is that some people tell me that the application is not working. Actually, the application shouldn't work. It's not a program that we built. It's just that when you double click on it, it gives you the error. That tells me that actually the application is working. The group policy is not working. So when you double click on the exe and it gives you a prompt like administrator have blocked this blah blah blah, that's where the group policy is working. It doesn't matter if the exe is working or it gives you error. That's because we haven't even made the program to work basically. It's just that the exe is executable. So try to finish this lab by doing alternative if you don't have a computer. So this is how it's done. Let me know if you have any other questions and if there is any other labs that is having issue. And there's one lab that I'm gonna work on it again and kind of make another video. So, but if you do have any other labs and you're having issues, just send me an email and we will find some alternatives to finish that project. Thank you. JobSkillshare.com, and see you guys soon.